car, couldn't see the road. Found a no hotel with the booking sign glow. Front desk empty, just the rest of your bell. Ring it one time, then it rang by itself. Portraits on the walls had the eyes on me. Hallway stretched longer than it used to be. Room 131, old skeleton key. Door swung open slow like it wanted me. Cold air hit like somebody breathed. Every single shadow looked alive to me. TV turned on with a face on the screen. Was but check out, ain't as easy as it seemed. Floorboards creak where nobody stood. Every instinct screamed, get out while you could. Grab my bag, reach for the door. The hallway wasn't there anymore. I'm running, but the walls keep changing. Every step feels more dangerous. Every door has another nightmare. Every mirror says don't look there. Can you hear the whispers calling? Feel the ceiling slowly falling. If I make it to the morning light, will I ever leave this haunted night? Elevator open, nobody inside. Pressed the first floor, ended on floor 5. Didn't even have a button for that place. Just a little girl with no expression on her face. She pointed down the hallway without saying one word, then disappeared before I reached the third. Pictures on the wall started dripping black. Turned around once, couldn't find my way back. Chandelier swinging till the air stood still. Every room carried another chill. Ghostly figures walking through the smoke, laughing every time another window broke. Heard somebody running right behind my feet. Spun around fast, just an empty street. Nah, that couldn't be, I'm inside still. This whole hotel been into its will. I'm running, but the walls keep changing. Every step feels more dangerous. Every door hides another nightmare. Every mirror says don't look there. Can you hear the whispers calling? Feel the ceiling slowly falling. If I make it to the morning light, will I ever leave this haunted night? Found the lobby, but it wasn't the same. Every clock stopped, every guest had no name. Shadows reached out from the marble floor, trying to drag me through the broken door. Lightning flashed, I saw the exit sign. Started running like I was out of time. Glass exploded, spirits screamed loud. Thunder covered every haunting sound. Burst outside just before the dawn. Turned around, the whole hotel was gone. Nothing but a forest silent and still, like the building never stood on that hill. Thought I made it, thought I survived. Then my room key fell out while I drove away. In the rearview mirror way behind, that hotel was following me.
Some places never let you leave.
Some places never let you leave.
Some doors should never need a key.
When the night remembers your name, you'll never be the same. I'm running,
But the walls keep changing.
every heartbeat keeps me praying.
Every shadow wants my soul tonight.
Every hallway kills the light.
If you ever see that hotel sign,
Keep driving, don't waste your time. 'Cause once you check into that place, you'll never really leave. Welcome back.